Hello and welcome to Website and TV. I'm Ben Lefebvre. Understanding the performance of your website is fundamental to success, giving you vital insights into what works and what doesn't, as well as to how your audience interacts with your pages. There are a variety of different analytics tools available, some of which you're no doubt familiar with, but have you considered all of the options open to you? Justina is here to tell us about Yandex Metrica and how it can add value to global search marketing campaigns. Justina, can you explain what Yandex Metrica is?
Sure. Yandex Metrica is a marketing tool allowing you to check the performance of your website. It's provided by the Russian search engine.
What type of data can be seen in this online tool?
There is a variety of reports on your visitors' behavior as well as your website performance. So, for example, you can see where people came from before they landed on your website, what type of search queries they typed in into the search engine, how much time they spent on your website, and what did they do when they arrived there. So, for example, my favorite report on Yandex Metrica is Advertisers. And the reason is that in comparison to any other tools, Advertisers allows you to see the videos of almost every single visitor to your website. You can record up to 1,000 visits to your websites per day and see their mouse movements or on how they behaved on your website, where they clicked and where they went next. This is a very good tool in order to check the usability of your website and maybe try some different things.
How difficult is it to get started with Yandex Metrica?
It's very easy. It only takes a few moments. In order to start using Metrica, you have to be the owner of Yandex email account. It takes about 30 seconds to create email account. The whole interface of the email tool as well as the Metrica tool is in English. So you can use your email in order to log into Yandex Metrica and generate a code, which then has to be placed on every single page of your website. The moment you have the code placed on your website, you can create goals in Metrica. And goals are used for tracking conversions. And for example, you can have conversions. What a conversion is when someone, for example, fills in a form on your website and then lands on a specific page. That would be classed as a conversion, so a page URL conversion. You could also have track conversions in relation to a specific number of page views, just to see the interaction of someone with your website. Or conversions when someone clicked on a specific button and that was classed as the required action, which is very important for you to track. Also, you can mix all those conversions if you want to and create a multi-step goals as long as you've got maximum 10 goals, maximum 10 steps per each multi-step goal.
How can you use the data collected by Metrica?
You can use it in a variety of ways. For example, knowing where people are coming from could help you either spend more time looking into those sources. So, for example, if you see that Facebook is bringing a lot of traffic, but LinkedIn is not, maybe it's worth having a look into it and spending more time on LinkedIn. Also, you could, for example, have a look which of your keywords are converting and add those keywords to your pay-per-click campaigns. And also you can have a look at the effectiveness of your organic search results and which type of search terms are driving a lot of traffic to your website. And
how can you track user behavior on Metrica?
I've already mentioned that you can do that. You can see the user behavior on the videos, but also you can see that via analyzing heat maps, which are also available on Yandex Metrica, as well as visitor journey reports. Have a look at exit pages, number of clicks on specific buttons, as well as you can also see on how people scroll down and up all over your website. There is a report which will show you that data.